So do you know System.io? Do you know it? It's a software to build the sales funnels. It's like click funnels, click funnels. Wow. So this is like click funnels, but way cheaper and way simpler to use. As you can see here, if you don't know, don't go to buildandroll.com, or you can go there, but don't go there. The direct way is the link in the description of this video to go to this page, but you can still reach it by going to build and roll, but whatever. So if you don't know it, you go there and you take a free account. You can use it and see what it is. Just an advice is now you should take a free account of this and see what it is. Understand a little bit, because then we are not about using it. Okay, this video is for affiliate marketers who wants to promote it and use it. Also, if you want, you can use it as any other software. Personally, I use both. I use for free Builderall, Systemeio, and I have also my own web servers where I can put the sites that I want, that I can create myself, or WordPress also. I use it for one thing, but on my web server. So to promote this software, to promote Builderall and things like this is good way to do business online. It's affiliate marketing. So if you are interested into affiliate marketing and you can feel that System.io is something new for a lot of people in the English world, don't try to sell it to the French people, because it originated from the French market. So it's known. That's all they know anyway. In the French market, it's number one. And if you talk to them about Builderall, they are not at this level. They don't need that. They have System.io. But in the world, you have a lot of people who need nothing, and so they can use System.io. They don't need other things. And in the English world, it has been rising in 2022. It started from nothing. Now it's growing. I could show you. Maybe I will put somewhere here. I will put an image of how it's going up in 2022, and imagine in 2023 it's now. Start right now. So if you're still here on this video, I will show you a website I made to track the affiliate offers in System.io, because every person who uses System.io can put their offer for sales, and they can put them in the marketplace for affiliate to look at. But it's not an affiliate platform. It's just a marketplace where you can choose some offers, but you have to deal with each vendors. But it doesn't matter. We are not about. Personally, I boycott this marketplace. I don't use it to promote anything there, because I like only affiliate platforms or affiliate programs of softwares like System.io. I am an affiliate for it. Builderall, I am an affiliate for it, but I'm not affiliate of each offers from each vendors, because I don't want to have to run after my commissions. I prefer affiliate platforms. So if someone wants me to promote their product, they put it on GVZoo, on WirePlus, on whatever, ClickBanks, but not on their own affiliate program on System.io, on the marketplace. I'm not promoting it, but it is interesting to look at what is on offer, to witness the growth that has started. So my website is tracking this marketplace for this purpose. I mean, for the users, that's their purpose. My purpose for creating it is something else, of course. Like you have a new website to get traffic, to convert as leads, and things like this. But you can use it to track it and to witness, look at it. It's wonderful. So, for instance, my purpose is to be able to display an ad for something, another affiliate product. That's mine. But look at the stats. So here you have the marketplace, 96 hot offers. Doesn't mean anything. The new offers also 96, because it's limited to 96 per page for each section. For the software, for instance, in the software, you don't have 96. So you have only 17 offers in software. But when it will be filled in, the maximum will be 96 for this. But I also have some places where I list all the offers. And at the moment, there are only 200 offers. So in this one, in Popular, I did something. I just listed the one who have been sold at least once in the last 30 days. So those are really at any moment in time, you can come here and look at what will be here. And here there is no limit, so it's 29 because there are only 29 who has been sold in the last 30 days at least once. Okay, understand? So you can look at it. You can see that the numbers are not so high. You can see the how it is ordered. It's the this is a formula I made. So it's not ordered by the amount of money in total or in the last 30 days. It's a mix. It's a formula to know how much in the last 30 days compares to the total and compares to the release date, to the age of the offer. So, you know, the number one is only $13.50, and the total is also this. But it's here because it's one of the latest, most recent one, was been sold and has been released on the 10th of January. Now we are on the 20th. So that's why it's at the top. But if there is no more sales, it will go down pretty quickly. But at the moment, it's still here because the second one has been sold. I mean, those figures are only for affiliates, so they are only affiliate commissions. It's not the amount of sales. No, only affiliate commission. So the total affiliate commissions for this product, which has been released on the 6th of October 2022. So, you know, this is a date, European date format, not American. Huh? So it's a days, months, and year. So you can see that in the past 30 days, the amount, 700, is quite close to the total. It's a big amount, it's a big part of the total. So this is the formula for this one, popular. So you can see there are only 29. And when you go down, of course, 29, look, it's one who has been released in February 2021, so very old one. The past 30 days, $3, and the total was 2,000 and things. So this is much a product of the past, going to die. It has only generated 2,000, which is not bad, but recently is like nothing. Maybe next month or in a few days, it will disappear from this list when it will have reached zero in the past 30 days. So on this page, only the one was been sold. But on other pages, like for instance, for hot, oh no, let's try another one. For instance, let's say make money. So here, you are likely to have 72. I was thinking maybe 96 already, but no, 72, I think it's the biggest category. And inside, how it is ordered is the first order is the past 30 days amount. So this is the order. The past 30 days, the best is this one, $4,000. And the total, okay, we don't look at the total. First is the last, but soon you reach a point where it's zero in the past 30 days, but it's still displayed on this list. So when you reach, let's say, zero, then the order is the total. So now all down have not been sold in the last 30 days, so they are ordered by the total. So you have, let's say, 16,000, 2,000, 1,300, and then it will also reach zero because some offers have not been sold at all. So when it reaches zero, zero for total and zero for past 30 days, then it's the date. The most recent one, 17th of January 2023, then it's the 15th of January and the 12th of January, but they have all zero affiliate commissions. So, you know, this list is ordered this way. And of course, if at some point, for instance, here, the total is the same for two offers, then it's the date which counts. But in this case, the date is also the same. So there is no more ordering. I could have ordered by alphabetical order. I didn't do it. Doesn't matter. But often you will have, even for the past 30 days, if we have one case, maybe we will look at it. 7, 14, 20, 21, 27, 28. So we don't have the same number. But if there was the same number, then it will list by total. If the total was also the same, then it will be the date. So, you know, on those categories, this is the order. So you can see, at the moment, only 200 offers on this marketplace. So you don't have a lot really to see, but you can follow it. You have, at the bottom, you have RSS feed, which you can plug in and be notified of new offers. And you will see the growth. Because at the moment, when you look at the new ones, so this is, the order is the data. So you can see that 17, 16, 15, 15, 14, 13, 12, and 10. So you don't have the 11s here. you still have some days with no offer, and most of the other days is one offer per day. But this will grow to have several offers every day, and not one day with no offers. It will happen in this year very quickly. The growth that I showed you before, the picture, is happening on everywhere in Systemeio, also in the affiliate offers in the marketplace. So you can enjoy this to follow and be also a part. Maybe you don't have a problem like me with dealing directly with the vendors. In this case, you can promote offers and get some sales and try to get money from the vendors as they should in your affiliate dashboard. Okay, it doesn't matter. You can still use it for this. Me, I don't do it. I don't do it in French. I don't do it in English. I will not do it until Systemeio decide to also become an affiliate platform and to make sure that the money that the clients, the final clients, customers, they pay, and Systemeio will pay the affiliates. If it can do that, then I will change my mind and I will become an affiliate of this marketplace, at least for the products who opt in this new affiliate platform. But at the moment, this is not happening. Also, in this site, what you can do is to create a QR code. Maybe I don't know if I should really mention. You can click on it. It's as an affiliate, it will be very useful for you because you can create a QR code which you can print or share wherever. When people scan, they go to a page where you will have all the offers of Systemeio. So the plans and the few courses that Systemeio sells. So the commissions they are paid together. This is not about other vendors. So you will have this page with all the offers, everything from Systemeio with your affiliate ID in the links. So it can be useful. You can go and check it out. And that's it for this video presentation of my site, but also of Systemeio, to tell you that it's going to be quite a year of growth, and you can enjoy the ride in the trend. But this is not only this, and it's just an information. But of course, the main things is for me is a build a role in English. So you go to build and roll, you will see build a role is a tool, a collection of tools, much more powerful than Systemeio. But for me, it's not only one. So to use, even as a user, I told you I use 3 things, but everybody should do it. You don't need to have only one account in Systemeio or only one in Builderall. Why not have both? Because you can make your own webs like a spider with different tools, different places. Don't have everything in one place. It's never good. Maybe you don't have yet the experience, but I have been burned before when I had only one source of income or one place to host most of my digital assets. It happened. So now it's finished. Now I have spread the risk, and when something happens, then you can keep on repairing with the others and waiting for this one to get back up or to let it go. But you can still walk. If you have 3 feet or 4 feet and one is missing, you can still walk. But if you have only one, then it's finished. So bye bye.